How to deactivate OKX account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your account. First of all, open the application. Now here on the left top, you can see this dots icon. Simply tap on it. Now on the top, you'll be able to see your profile name. Simply tap on your profile name. So here in your settings interface, here you'll be able to see the option called security in the second tab. Simply tap on security. Now if you slowly scroll down, here you'll be able to see the option called close account. So tap on close account. So here you can see the option freeze instead, continue to close. So tap on continue to close. Here you must give a reason in order to close it. So tap on the reason and tap on continue. So this will completely close the account and you'll not be able to log in or access it again. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.